Hi, and welcome to a new video about Let Nature Heal You. Simple DIY. Remedies you can make today. Hey there, wellness seekers. Welcome to EarthLuxe, your go-to space for natural living, holistic healing, and taking your health back into your own hands. We're so glad you're here today, because we're diving into something that's not just fascinating, it's life-changing. Let me ask you this. Ever wondered if the remedy for stress, poor sleep, or those annoying everyday aches could be growing right outside your door? Well, guess what? It totally can. And today, I'm showing you how to turn simple herbs into powerful, effective remedies, right from your kitchen. We're talking calming teas, healing oils, immune-boosting tinctures, lavender, calendula, echinacea. You don't need a pharmacy when you've got a garden. Don't worry if you're new to herbalism. I've got easy recipes and science-backed tips to help you get started safely and confidently. So grab your tea, maybe a notebook, and let's step into the green world of herbal healing together. Why make herbal remedies at home? Let's be honest. We live in a fast-paced world that runs on convenience. Pills for this, creams for that. Quick fixes that often just cover up the symptoms, rather than truly supporting your body. But more and more people, maybe even you, are feeling the pull to slow down, to reconnect with nature, to remember that healing isn't just about fighting illness. It's about creating balance. Herbal remedies do more than relieve symptoms. They work with your body, not against it. They nurture your nervous system, support digestion, boost immunity, soothe inflammation, all while reminding you to breathe, to be present, to care for yourself intentionally. And here's the beautiful thing. This isn't just folk wisdom passed down through whispers and wildflower lore. Although that's part of the magic, many of these remedies are backed by modern science, peer-reviewed, clinically studied, and proven effective. You're not choosing between tradition and truth. You're standing right where the two meet. Making herbal remedies at home isn't just practical. It's empowering. It's creative. It's ancestral. And it's surprisingly simple. So whether you're curious, cautious, or completely ready to dive in, this is your invitation to step into a slower, greener way of healing. Ready? Let's do this. Calendula, liquid sunshine for the skin. Calendula, also known as marigold, is more than just a cheerful garden flower. It's like liquid sunshine for your skin. This vibrant bloom is packed with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound-healing properties, making it a favorite among herbalists and even dermatologists. It's rich in flavonoids and terpenoids, compounds that help reduce redness, fight bacteria, and stimulate tissue repair. Research shows calendula can accelerate wound healing, soothe eczema, and calm everything from bug bites to diaper rash. It's so effective, in fact, that it's used in hospital-grade ointments and post-surgical creams to support skin regeneration. And here's what's amazing. You can make a healing oil or salve from dried calendula petals at home with just olive oil and sunlight. Simple, gentle, powerful. Whether your skin needs calming, healing, or just a little love. Calendula is a radiant, reliable ally. DIY. Recipe. Dry calendula petals. Then place them in a jar with olive oil. Heat gently using a double boiler or slow cooker. Then cover and let it infuse in sunlight for 2 to 4 weeks. Strain it, and you've got a rich, healing oil, perfect for balms and salves. Yarrow, the warrior's herb. Yarrow is a plant with serious battle credentials. Legend says the Greek hero Achilles carried it into war to treat wounds, and modern science backs up why. This feathery-leaved powerhouse contains alkaloids and flavonoids that help stop bleeding, reduce inflammation, and promote tissue repair. It's been traditionally used to treat everything from cuts and bruises to fevers and digestive issues. What makes yarrow especially cool is its astringent and styptic properties. It helps tighten tissues and slow bleeding, which is why it's sometimes called nature's Band-Aid. How to use it. Dry the leaves and flowers. Brew into a tea for digestive issues and immune support, or crush into a poultice to apply to cuts and scrapes. Echinacea, your immune system's best friend. Echinacea is one of the most well-known herbs in Western herbalism, and for good reason. This purple coneflower has been used for centuries by Native American tribes to treat infections, snake bites, and fevers. Today, science confirms that echinacea can stimulate the immune system, helping your body respond more efficiently to colds, viruses, and other infections. It works by boosting white blood cell activity, which is key in fighting off illness. Studies suggest that taking echinacea at the first sign of symptoms may help reduce the duration and severity of colds. And who doesn't want that? Simple immune boost. Tincture. Chop fresh echinacea roots or use dried. Place in a jar and cover with high-proof alcohol. Let sit for 4 to 6 weeks, shaking daily. Strain and store. Elderberry. Delicious and potent. Picture this. It's the heart of winter, and everyone around you is coughing, sneezing, and curled up with tissues and tea. But there you are, sipping on something rich, dark, and sweet. That's elderberry working its quiet magic. These little berries may look unassuming, but they're packed with flavonoids and anthocyanins, compounds that help your immune system fight off colds and flu. In fact, one study showed that people who took elderberry syrup recovered up to 4 days faster than those who didn't. DIY. Recipe. It's simpler than it sounds. Simmer dried elderberries with cinnamon, cloves, and a touch of raw honey. The result? A delicious syrup you can keep in your fridge all winter long. A spoon a day is like a sweet little shield for your immune system. Lemon balm. The herbal hug for your nervous system. You know those days when your mind just won't slow down? When your thoughts are buzzing, your chest feels tight, and you're running on nerves. That's when lemon balm steps in, like a warm hug for your nervous system. Used since the Middle Ages to lift the spirits, this gentle herb is now backed by research showing it can reduce anxiety, improve mood, and even support brain function. Its magic comes from compounds like rosmarinic acid, which helps calm the brain by supporting GABA, our natural chill-out neurotransmitter. How to make a calming tea. Pick a handful of fresh lemon balm leaves, bruise them gently to release the oils, and steep them in hot water. Cover your cup to trap the goodness. Sip slowly. Breathe. Let your whole system exhale. Lavender. Scented serenity. Lavender has been used for centuries, but not just for its heavenly scent. Imagine walking through a sun-soaked field in the south of France, brushing your fingers against its soft purple blooms. That same scent you inhale? It's doing more than just smelling pretty. Lavender is a nervous system soother, proven to lower cortisol, your stress hormone, improve sleep, and even ease symptoms of mild depression. Its essential oils contain linalool and linaloyl acetate, natural compounds that have a gentle sedative effect on the brain. No wonder it's a favorite in bedtime rituals. How to use it? Make a lavender-infused oil for massage. Tuck dried buds into a sachet under your pillow, or sprinkle some into a warm bath and let the scent melt the stress away. It's like aromatherapy, but with roots. Chamomile, the gentle powerhouse. Chamomile might be the most underestimated herb in your kitchen cabinet. Soft-spoken, golden, and often brewed as a sleepy time tea. But don't let its gentle nature fool you. Chamomile is a true multitasker. A mild sedative, anti-inflammatory, and digestive aid all in one. Historically used for everything from colicky babies to anxious hearts. Its effectiveness has now been confirmed by science. It works through compounds like apigenin, which binds to receptors in your brain that help you relax and drift off. Want a nighttime wind-down ritual? Steep dried chamomile flowers in hot water and make sure to cover your cup. Those precious oils are what do the work. Add honey and a pinch of cinnamon for extra warmth. Then cozy up and let yourself soften into sleep. Safety and tips for beginners. Before you begin, here are a few important tips. Always label your remedies with ingredients and dates. Store in clean, dark glass containers away from heat and light. Do a patch test for skin remedies if you're unsure about sensitivity. If you're on medications or pregnant, consult a qualified herbalist or healthcare provider. What will you create? You've just unlocked something powerful. Because when you make your own herbal remedies, you're not just mixing plants. You're reconnecting with generations of wisdom, with nature, with yourself. You're turning leaves, roots, and flowers into calming teas, healing oils, and everyday magic. And trust me, your future self will thank you. So tell me, what's calling your name? Lavender for deep rest? Echinacea to boost your immunity? Calendula to nourish your skin? Drop a comment and let me know which remedy you're most excited to try. Or share your own herbal story. I'd love to hear it. And hey, if this video sparked something in you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EarthLuxe. We're just getting started, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Think rare herbs, next-level remedies, and even herbal rituals. Thanks for being here. Take care of yourself, stay curious, and as always, let nature lead the way. See you in the next one.